The National Weather Service in Springfield has issued a tornado warning for northern McDonald County, Newton County, Jasper County, southern Barden County, until 5:30 a.m. At 4:39 a.m., a confirmed large and extremely dangerous tornado was located near Goodman, or 7 miles north of Anderson, moving north at 45 miles per hour. This is a particularly dangerous situation. Hazard: damaging tornado. Source: Doppler radar. Impact: you are in a life-threatening situation. Flying debris may be deadly to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be destroyed. Considerable damage to homes, businesses, and vehicles is likely, and complete destruction is possible. Locations impacted include Goodman, Neosho, Diamond, Joplin, Duquesne, Carthage, Alba and Jasper. Repeating, a large and dangerous tornado is on the ground. Take cover now.